Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to solve second passage of Academic Reading Test 1 of Cambridge IELTS 19 Academic. But before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and learn the tricks to score high bands in IELTS. So let's begin. Questions 14 to 19 are of paragraph information matching type. We have prepared a separate lesson in which you can learn the trick to solve these types of questions easily, quickly, and accurately. Please see the description for the link of the lesson. Question 14. A reference to denial of involvement in piracy. So the keywords here are reference, denial, involvement, and piracy. We have to find the paragraph in which synonyms of these words are mentioned. Now, reference means mention or example of something. So, look for a paragraph in which denial of involvement in piracy is mentioned. If you read paragraph D carefully, you will find this information in the paragraph. Piracy, rejected, which is a synonym of denial, and connection, which is synonymous to be involved with something or somebody. Hence, the answer is paragraph D. Question 15. Details of how a campaign to eradicate piracy was carried out. Now, the keywords here are campaign, eradicate piracy, and carried out. So, look for paragraph in which synonyms of these keywords are mentioned. Now, to run a campaign means to plan or to take an action, and you can find this synonym in paragraph G. Also, eradicate piracy means to finish piracy or pirates, which is again mentioned in the paragraph in the form of phrase free of pirates. And you can also read that the details of how this plan was executed or carried out in the paragraph. Hence, the answer is G. Question 16. A mention of the circumstances in which states in the ancient world would make use of pirates. The keywords in this question are circumstances, ancient world, and use of pirates. So we have to look for the synonyms or examples of these words and phrases or a paragraph in which use of pirates is mentioned. You can easily find the synonyms of these words and phrases in paragraph C. First and second millennia BC, which is synonymous to ancient world, pirate services, and employing their skills is synonymous to use of pirates, and during wartime is the circumstances or the situation under which their services were used. Hence, the answer is paragraph C. Question 17. A reference to how people today commonly view pirates. Now, the keywords here are reference, people, and view pirates. You can easily find the synonyms of these keywords in the very first line. When you give a reference of something, then you mention or give example of that thing. So mention is the synonym of reference. And when you view something or someone, then you create a perception or an image of that thing in your mind. So image is the synonym of view, which people created in their minds. Hence, the answer is paragraph A. Question 18. An explanation of how some people were encouraged not to return to piracy. Now, the keywords here are encouraged and not to return to piracy. When you encourage someone, you provide or offer him help or a solution. You can find these synonyms in the last paragraph G. Also, in the question, not to return to piracy means to reduce or finish piracy. And as we have discussed earlier as well, that the paragraph G talks about the plan to finish piracy. Hence, the answer is paragraph G. Question 19. A mention of the need for many sailing vessels to stay relatively close to land. The keywords here are vessels and close to land. You can find the examples of synonyms of these keywords in the paragraph B. Boats are synonymous to vessels, and since boats sail in sea, the coastline is the area closest to land, and if a boat is sailing along the coastline, that means it is sailing close to land. Hence, the answer is paragraph B. Questions 20 and 21. Which two of the following statements does the writer make about inhabitants of the Mediterranean region in the ancient world? We have to first find the paragraph in which the writer is primarily talking about the pirates who were the inhabitants of Mediterranean in the ancient world. Please keep in mind that Mediterranean pirates and ancient world are mentioned in several paragraphs, but we have to focus on the paragraph in which the writer is talking about the pirates and their lives, which is highlighted in the paragraph B. So, we have to focus on this paragraph only. Now, in order to solve this question, we have to start with option A and look for the keywords mentioned in the options. Then, try to match these keywords in the paragraph and check if these are saying the same thing as the option given, and either select or rule out the option depending upon the matching of keywords and meaning. Option A. The keywords in this question are stolen vessels. Although you can find boats, which is synonymous to vessels, there is no mention of stealing boats and any other word which is synonymous to stealing. Hence, we can rule out option A and answer. Option B. The keywords in this option are escape, capture, authorities, and new area so well. The phrase strike undetected is synonymous to escape, capture. The pirates were not detected, which means they escaped or could not be captured. The last line talks about their knowledge of the local area, which matches with another key question phrase, new area so well. And state fleet is synonymous to authorities, since state also means government. Hence, option B can be one of the answers. Option C. The keywords in this option are paid, information, and routes. There is no mention of paying or money and any other word which can be used as synonymous to the keywords mentioned in the option. Hence, we can rule out option C as answer. Option D. The keywords in this option are dependent, sea, and livelihood. You can easily find the synonyms or examples of these keywords in the paragraph. Relied, which is synonymous to dependent, heavily on marine resources, which is synonymous to sea, and fish and salt, which are the examples of food or livelihood. Hence, option D is the second answer. Now, since we have found are both the options, so there is no need to read the last option E. Not reading option E will help you to save and manage time in IELTS reading. Question 22 and 23. Which two of the following statements does the writer make about piracy and ancient Greece? Since the question talks about ancient Greece, we should straightaway go to paragraph E, which talks about ancient Greece. Now, let's have a look at the options. Option A. The keywords here are state, estimated, few people involved in piracy. While reading the paragraph, we can find the word state, but we cannot find the words or synonyms of words estimate and few people. Hence, option A can be ruled out as an answer. Option B. The keywords here are attitudes, changed, Iliad, and Odyssey. You can find the word opinion, which is synonymous to the word attitude. However, along with opinion, it is also mentioned that it remained unchanged, which is opposite to what the option B is saying. So, we can rule out this option as an answer. Option C. The keywords in this option are important officials, occasionally take part in piracy. In the paragraph, you can find the phrase high ranking members, which is synonymous to important officials, not beyond engaging in such activities, which means these high ranking members or important officials engaged or took part in such activities, which was piracy. Hence, option C can be one of the answers. Option D. Every citizen regarded pirate attacks on cities as unacceptable. Now, pirate attacks were unacceptable means people disliked or hated pirates in Greece. But in the last line, it is mentioned that Greece had a liberal approach towards piracy. And if you have a liberal approach towards something, then you allow or accept it half-heartedly, which is opposite to what option D is saying. Hence, it cannot be an answer. Option C. A favorable view of piracy is evident in certain ancient Greek texts. The keywords in the question are favorable, evident, Greek texts. Now in this case, since the question mentions Greek texts, so look name for either books or writers. In this paragraph, two writers, Homer and Thucydides, are mentioned, and each writer either praised or glorified, which means they had a favorable view of pirates or piracy, which is exactly what the option E is saying. Hence, it is our second correct option. Questions 24 to 26. Fill in the blanks. The title of the blanks is Ancient Rome and Piracy. So first, look for the paragraph in which piracy is discussed in Rome. It is discussed in paragraph A and F, but if you look carefully, you will see that it is discussed more in detail in paragraph F, and also in the second lines it is mentioned that piracy was a serious issue in Rome, which is exactly what the question says. Also, you can find other keywords in paragraph F like profited, which is synonymous to benefits. So we know that we will find all answers in paragraph F. Question 24 is pirates attacked vessels which is transported or carried something to Rome. So the keywords here are attack, vessels, and transporting. So we have to look for these keywords or their synonyms. If you read this line, pirate attacks on grain ships, you can easily find the keywords attack, ships, which is synonymous to vessels, as it says that these were grain ships, which means these ships transported or carried grain, hence the answer is grain. Question 25 says, these attacks resulted in calls for the pirates responsible. The keywords are calls for and pirates responsible. Now, calls for means to ask for or demand something. You can easily find these keywords in the paragraph. Demanding punishment of the culprits. Demanding is synonymous to calls for, and culprit is someone responsible for the wrongdoing. So, the answer is punishment. Question 26 says that piracy continued in Rome and pirates demanded something for the officials they captured. The keywords are demanding, officials, and captured. The synonym of captured is officials, dignitary. For captured is kidnapped, and demanding is asking for. So what did the pirate demand or ask for? They asked for ransom. Hence, the answer is ransom. So friends, in this video, we have solved the second passage of Cambridge IELTS 19 Academic Test 1. In the next video, we will solve the third passage. So please subscribe to our channel and watch that video. Thank you.